Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the painting you're going to see in the video today is a swipe and spin painting, and I use the same colors as the one I did in my previous video, except for I did change the color of the cell activator. And I wanted to show you guys how making just a subtle change can actually really change the look of a painting. So instead of using white as a cell activator like I did in the previous video, I used this kind of grayish blue color, and it's Amsterdam grayish blue is the name of the color. And oh, it looks so pretty, you guys. I love this. It is still a little bit wet in the center. You can see it's kind of shiny. It has taken forever for my paintings to dry, you guys. I live in North Carolina and we are getting some of the coldest, weirdest weather ever. And lately it's just been so cold. So it's just taking forever for my paintings to dry. As a comparison, this is the one with the white cell activator. And then this is the one with the bluish cell activator, bluish gray. They definitely do look different. They look similar, but there is a difference there, which I really, really like. And that's one of the main things I like about this type of art. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to check out my online courses on crystalcoastoriginals.com. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one.